Hey guys, Jason from JWClassicVW here again with Goose and an update on the big block build. I wanted to go ahead and go over a few things with you guys on what I have on the way and what I've been doing. Let me cut that. Let's cut that fan off, huh? How about that? So I've got the big block here behind us, and you can see that I got a part. I'm gonna go ahead and reverse the angle on the camera so you guys get a better look at it. All right. So for those of you that are new to the channel, this is probably the first time you've seen the case that I picked up. A really good deal on it. It's already been clearanced on the inside at the cam bearing locations and where the pistons are going to pass through with the rods. It's been clearanced for a stroker crankshaft, and it's also been shuffle pinned. It's already been full flowed, and it's been line board 20 over, so that's cool. It's kind of dirty right now when you're looking at it, so it needs a really good cleanup. But I've also, for those of you that haven't seen maybe my other videos, I've also got a set of CB044 heads, and I've taken the dual springs. It's got dual springs on a CB head. You have an internal spring and the external spring, and it's got the chrome moly hardware putting everything together. Let's go ahead and move to the board, and I can talk to you a little bit about the parts that are on the way. As you guys can see, I've been busy ordering some parts for the big block engine. And first off, let's talk about the CIP1 parts that I've ordered. I've got the engine hardware kit on the way for 8mm. That includes the chrome moly studs for the case, the 8mm chromoly studs, because I'm going to be running 94mm pistons. I'm going to need the 8mm so that I have room. The 10mm will be a little tight. I don't even think that would fit. This engine, the case that I have is at 8mm, so that's what I needed to order. I got some lifters on their way because I picked up a camshaft, and if you look down here in the right corner, I picked up a camshaft, an angle camshaft that's got 415 lift with a 308 duration, but it didn't come with lifters, so I picked up some angle lifters. They're on their way. A new empty breather box so that I can go ahead and make sure that my engine has proper ventilation. Straight cut gears are on the way for the cam and the crank. New dowels for the flywheel and case, and some new plug wires, the Taylor plug wires. Those are really nice for high performance applications. The black ones are the ones that I picked up. I got a high flow oil pump on the way as well, that I'm going to be full flowing. This whole engine is going to be full flowed through an oil filter and then through an oil cooler that I showed you guys the other day. Kind of sneak peeked it to you. The oil cooler that's underneath there. Let's see what else we got here. I got 1:4 to 1 high ratio rockers on their way. I also picked up on Facebook, one of the sales groups, my 44 IDF. So that's the breakdown on all the materials I have on the way for the big block build. Like I said, and I'm going to say it again, this is a budget build. I'm trying to stay under $2,000 on this build, which I'm getting really close to that. And the last bit of money that I do have is going to be for the exhaust system and for the rotating assembly, the crank rods, and the pistons. But super excited to get the big block build underway. It'll be starting pretty soon once I get all of my parts in. A lot of stuff is en route, and the big order is from CIP1, and that can take a week and a half for those materials usually to show up. You can build a big block on a budget. Don't let anybody tell you you can't, because you can do it. And it's going to run great too. That's it for today, guys. Or it for the big block update, anyway. Hey guys, Jason with JWClassicVW. It's happening. Parts are coming. Big block parts. I came home today, and look what showed up on the doorstep. 1:4 ratio rockers. Pretty sure these are needle bearings in here. You know what? They're heavy duty, man. Can't break in. Lube. Do you got zinc? Straight cut gears. What are those for? Adjustable lobes. So you can adjust your advance or retard your advance or timing. Pretty cool. Lots of stuff on the way, guys. Getting pretty excited. The big block build is going to be stupid. Stupid cool. Oh yeah, lash caps too. Because you can't have feet like these. Look at those feet. Oh yeah. Feet like these on your valve stems because they'll go crazy. You gotta get some lash caps. Pretty cool. Once again, to my new subscribers, thanks for joining. I hope you're enjoying the content. Alright guys, this is Jason from JWClassicVW. Once again, thanks for joining. Make sure you hit that like and share and subscribe. If you'd like to get a hold of me, I can be reached via email at JWClassicVW@yahoo.com or join the Facebook group. It's just search JWClassicVW and join the group. Until next time, guys, it's Jason with JWClassicVW.